Hi, my name's Chris Hopkins with Reàl Infused Exotics. Today, I'm going to take you into a great cocktail for the spring that I like to call Spring Passion. So let's get started. First off, we're going to start with 2 ounces of a nice Bianco vermouth. The lower ABV of this spirit really helps you kind of like elongate your drinking experience with your friends without overpowering the day. Adding in half an ounce of an Aperol or aperitivo liqueur, something that's a little bit bitter and bright that's going to bring a lot of herbaceous profile to the cocktail. 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice poured in there. And then we're going to add in our amazing Reàl flavors. First off with half an ounce of the Reàl strawberry. Great flavor for the season. And then one of my favorite flavors, giving a nice bit of acidity, the Reàl passion fruit. We're going to do another half an ounce. Going to add some ice. I'll give that a nice shake. Okay, for this final part of the cocktail, we're going to give it a little bit of effervescence, give it a nice bit of spritz. We're going to add in a nice lemon tonic or a lemon soda. It's going to bring a little bit of a brightness to it and kind of lift the overall cocktail. All right, we're going to strain that out over fresh ice. To finish, because we love the color contrast and also the beautiful flavors, we're going to give it a nice little spritz of mint. Just smack it on the side of the glass there to release the aromatics. There we have it, a great cocktail with Reàl Infused Exotics, the Spring Passion. My name's Chris Hopkins. Thanks for joining us on the Reàl Infused Exotics channel, and we look forward to you joining us next time as we dive into some more of my favorite cocktails to drink throughout the season. Thank you.